Morning students, today we will start exercise 4.1 and in this exercise we have quadrilateral which we have to construct. So question number first is construct the following quadrilaterals. Question number first one is quadrilateral ABCD where AB equal to 4.5 centimeter, BC equal to 5.5 centimeter, CD equal to 4 centimeter, AD equal to 6 centimeter and AC equal to 7 centimeter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides are given there. With the help of this side we have to construct a quadrilateral. So in last day we discussed about, so firstly we have to check that how can this quadrilateral will be construct. That mean after construction ये कैसा दिखेगा ये पहले अपन को सोचना है. तो क्वाड्रिलेटरल का नाम क्या है? ABCD है. सपोज कर लेते हैं ABCD एक क्वाड्रिलेटरल है. ठीक है, ABCD is a quadrilateral. How many sides are given there? AB equal to 4.5 centimeter, BC equal to 5.5 centimeter, CD equal to 4 centimeter, AD is 6 centimeter. Now one more side is given there, AC equal to 7 centimeter. Then there will be one more side, that means the diagonal of the quadrilateral is 7 centimeter. So this quadrilateral designed us look like this now. So we have to draw first AB of the given triangle. So AB is 4.5 centimeter. So I am doing this 4.5 centimeter of AB. I am drawing. AB is 4.5 centimeter. So I am taking 4.5 centimeter by scale. Okay. This is 4.5 centimeter. Okay. Name these sides A and B. Okay. First part is completed. So in construction step of the construction we also have to write. So I am going to explain that also there steps of construction. So in first step what we have done there, draw AB equal to 4.5 centimeter. Okay, first step complete. Now see there, D is the upside of A. That means we have to take a arc or such that D will be in that area. Okay, so AD equal to 6 centimeter is given there. So we are taking a measurement of 6 centimeter by scale in compass, and from point A I am putting the point of compass and drawn a arc upside of the drawn line. Okay, second step is also completed, and in second step one more thing we have to do. From point B there is C na, so BC equal to 5.5 centimeter. So we have to take one more arc of 5.5 centimeter from point B. So I am taking measurement of 5.5 centimeter by scale and compass. Is it visible? Maybe from 5.5 centimeter I am taking by scale and compass. Then from point B, there is a point B, I am drawing one more arc upside of the quadrilateral. Okay, so we have to write second step there. What we have done, from point A and B, from point A and B, what, AD equal to 6 centimeter and BC equal to 5.5 centimeter. From point A and B, from point A and B, AD equal to this and BD is BC equal to this radius. Make arc upside of AB. we have done two arcs from these 2 points, okay, but is it completely? We can see that there is no point C and D. There is, maybe C is there, maybe C is there, but we did not know where is C. There is also D, but where is D we can't explain now. So we have one more point to get this, na? One more thing to get this. So from point A, we have AC equal to 7 centimeter. That means the diagonal of the quadrilateral. So I am taking an arc of 7 centimeter. Taking an arc of 7 centimeters. See carefully. Is it 7 centimeter? Yes. Now from center A, I drawn an arc of 7 centimeter there. Okay. If I taken from A, then this is the point C. Okay, because AC equal to 7 centimeter, so I used that measurement to cut third arc. Okay, so I am writing there third step. From point A, AC equal to 7 centimeters radius, make arc on previous cutted arc, because I cutted arc in upside of the previous cutted arc. So we will get point. So we get point C. Okay, now we have to match this point A and C. Okay, so I am matching this point A and C. Okay, now clearly see that this one is 7 centimeter, this one is 4.5 centimeter. That means we used this one, and BC equal to 5.5 centimeter we cut it already. That means we used that one also. AD equal to 6 centimeter. That means AD for 6 centimeter I cutted arcs already. Now one measurement is left. That means CD equal to 4 centimeter. That means from point C we have to cut an arc in previous cutted arc from point A to get the point D. Okay, so CD equal to 4 centimeter is there. So I am taking this measurement of 4 centimeter in compass. There is the 4 centimeter. So from point C, I am taking an arc of previous cutted arc to get point D. Okay, this point is D. Now we have to match these points, this by this, A to D, D to C, and in last C to B. Okay, so this is our required quadrilateral. So in last step, what we have done in fourth step, we have to mention there also. So from point C, what we have done? From point C we have done and taken a measurement of 4 centimeter. So CD equal to 4 centimeter, make an arc on previous arc. So we get which point? We got point D. Okay, now after getting the point D, what we have done? We have matched all these points. So right there, match A to D, C to D, and B to C to get required quadrilateral. In the place of quadrilateral, you can make symbol like that also. So that much is only criteria to construct a quadrilateral. So question number second of first is your homework. Do you by your own and send it by me. As it is, you can solve this by as like question number 1. Okay.